Hello traders and welcome to tradingwithbill.com. It is a Wednesday, September 20th, 2017, coming to you from Pattaya, Thailand. Bright blue sunny skies, awesome day today at the start. Traders, yeah, it looks like the currency world decided to take a break this week. And I gather that's because FOMC is today, Wednesday, and everybody's just going to wait and see what they're going to do. I would say they're going to do nothing. They're not going to change anything. I guess what everybody's looking for is to see what their projection is for later in the year. What are they doing about December? Are they really looking at, maybe really seriously considering another hike in December? We'll see. To me, it just sounds like 3 days of good trading that's been wasted waiting for them to do whatever they're going to do. And I wouldn't think they're going to do much. Really, I don't think they're going to do that much. So let's get over to the data today. We do have data today. We had some data come out earlier today. New Zealand had current account, and numbers were really well. Japan had exports, good number. Adjusted trade balance, bad number. Aussie had MI leading index, which is a low event. It was negative 0.1. There was no forecast on that. In the Euro session, we're pretty busy. We've got German PPI, we've got Great British Pound retail sales, core retail sales month on month, year on year. Yeah, it's filled up for the pound again today. And in the U.S. session, we have existing home sales for August. And, of course, crude oil inventories, as we do every week. And then we have of course, the FOMC today, which will be 1,400 hours on Wall Street. And then they're going to have a press conference, and I think that's what everybody is really waiting for, is the press conference, like I said, to see where they're going to wiggle and what they're going to do later in the year, coming to the end of the year in December. All right, let's take a look at commodities. S&P futures, negative 0.07%. NASDAQ is negative 0.09%. Dow is positive 0.16%. S&P 500 VIX is positive 0.30%. The DAX is positive 0.02%, with the Nikkei 225 negative 0.08%. The US dollar index negative 0.01, still at that 91.61 area. And the Euro index is negative 0.01, and they are at 95.35 as we speak. Let's take a look at commodities. What's going on with gold? Gold is still at that 13.78 level. And WTI is above the 50 mark continuously for the last 2 days at 50.25. And Brent is at 55.36 a barrel. U.S. coffee is negative 3.16%. So that's what's going on with news and data and all that good stuff. My pick of the day for a trade was actually the New Zealand dollar. Now, this pair has been all over the place, right? This pair has been bullish, it's been bearish, it goes back to bullish. It's really been all over the pair. And we understand it's a commodity pair, so we can expect that. So I did this early this morning before those blue candles and that touch to the trend line. I actually did this analysis when this candle was active. These candles were not alive yet. So, I put this trend line in here, and my thought was if it closes below this trend line at 0.7325, we can sell this, right? If we get a close below it, the next candle triggers, it's a red candle, right? And we can sell this down to the 72.60. And I know you're probably all saying, why are you going through the 200 exponential moving average? Because I don't see a lot of fight left of the chart in reference to that 200 exponential moving average. My view on it is that price is moving right through it and just comes down, and there's not a lot of fighting to get through this 200. So I lowered my bar a little bit for my profit. We're going to take some more profit. Now, of course, I'm going to watch it at that 200. If it starts to get a little crazy, I'll just get out of the trade. I'll exit the trade. But I'd like to get down to 72.60 on this trade. And that's my trade of the day. That's New Zealand dollar. We can take a look at the pound yesterday. This pair, almost came down to my entry of 61.8 Fibonacci level. I've done nothing. There's nothing here. It's going to come down to my entry, and then we can play. I'm not playing. This is a mess, folks. This is what I'm talking about. the markets are doing nothing, just absolutely nothing. They're just hanging out. They're not doing anything. And as I show you, I'm going to show you the euro, and we're at the same boat here, right? But well, now that I say that, I look at this and I'm saying, well, not really. This did make a nice move to the upside, I have to be honest with you. So let's clean this up and take a better look. Right, so let's just get rid of all this stuff here. You know what? Let's just do it this way. We're going to let's just remove everything. All right, fresh chart. Let's see what we got. Okay, so this is at a high, and this is at this 20 level, 1.200 level. And it can't break through it. It's fought it several times. Can't break through it. So I'm saying this is going to break to the downside. Or, because it doesn't look like an inverted L for higher, that's for sure. This just looks like this is going to say sideways for today. Nothing's going to happen in any of these pairs today, folks. If you're trading, I would say even trade on a demo account, because who knows what's going to happen with the Fed. But I would look to sell this. I'd love to see this go up to that 2040 for 2050 area and then pound it to the downside. There's a lot of junk here left of this chart. However, let's see what happens after the Fed speaks. Now, when the Fed talks, I'll be sleeping. That's 1 o'clock in the morning for me. So I won't be in my charts at that point. But, waking up, into Asia, opening of Asia, we'll see what this did, if this bounced up or bounced down. I definitely don't plan on trading the euro. So we're in a hold pattern here. We're not going to really do anything here. It is sideways, and we'll just leave it alone and see what happens after the Fed meeting. Let's take a look at the Aussie. This Aussie really is just hanging out, not really doing a lot. It came up, now it's sideways. It's tested this 200, hasn't gotten through it. Again, we're just going to leave it. This is just, markets just not moving. Markets are not moving, my friends. They're just not going nowhere. They're hanging out. So, you know what? We're going to do the same. We're going to take it really easy today. And I don't normally say that. I'm at my desk, probably 10 hours a day. And, this is my life. So, but, there's nothing going on. There's nothing going on. And I don't think anything's going to happen till the Fed. So, I don't even think scalpers like this market. The ones who scalp for 10 pips or, 12 pips or something like that. I don't even think they like this market. So, this is a pretty tough market. Traders, thanks for being with me. Please come visit my website at tradingwithbill.com. You can see this video and all my other videos. I got some neat stuff on the site. And nice economic calendar. So go check it out. All you got to do is click on the video channel up in the right-hand corner, and you can watch all my videos. Traders, always remember to trade smart, not hard, and we'll catch you in the morning. Take care now. Have a great trading day. Bye-bye.